Hey, you guys hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
Oh crap, I was recording too. I didn't know. I just realized I had my microphone on mute and I was talking the
Yeah,
whole time.
I saw that you were talking. I didn't hear you though. If I just
Yeah.
said something, my bad.
This is pretty nice.
Yo guys, what's cracking? It's KingCoz, and today I'm just showing you guys all these new updates for this amazing new release of this
All right, listen.
Alright, here we
these
go.
Poop deck.
these
Hey, really
maps, and it's
quickly,
so
where are we
cool.
on the poop deck? I think
Yeah. So what's your guys' opinion on these new maps? That's all I want to know.
this first
This
match.
is my first time playing.
First
Yeah.
match.
That's why I'm learning the call outs to get ready for it, because I know people are gonna be playing this map because it's a heavy all spot downstairs. I can feel it, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
downstairs is a really heavy all spot.
Oh, downstairs is.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Well, we all
this
put
is
some
this
Gallagher,
downstairs is over here, guys. I'm only queuing in for the new maps. I'm pretty sure everyone's learning the maps right now, so hostage has been
Yeah.
taken.
Taking. Oh,
So this is courtyard.
Downstairs.
I don't know how to
do I
get there.
get downstairs?
Oh, here it is. Here's some stairs.
I found stairs. I found where they probably went.
They come through our spawn.
This is
Through our spawn.
Behind.
They come to the spawn right now.
Alright, I'm going.
No one knows where they're going.
He's right next to my ex.
I got one of them who has a hostage. Another one's coming
He's coming up
through.
the stairs.
Oh, they got me.
No,
Yeah,
where
man.
I'm going.
Nice.
Holy shit, there's way too many levels in this game.
I
Or
know.
on this map.
Now this map is actually I played this map before when it was on the workshop, so I know a little bit of the callouts already.
Damn, there we go.
Have you played any of the others?
Say it again.
I queued them all, and this first one I got.
Yep, same. I'm going downstairs. I need someone watching upstairs. This is T corridor
I'm going
down.
Basketball court. I'm going to basketball court. If I can throw it,
I
I'll get there.
mean, corridor up.
Okay.
I'm at basketball court.
Ooh, they're all coming corridor down.
They're all downstairs.
They're all elevator. They're elevator, which is down here.
I should.
Ooh, I got
The one
one of them got a
downstairs.
shotgun.
That's it.
Oh,
PK, they right
watch
there.
the hostages. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm stupid.
Yeah. This is not bomb site. It's hostage. Hostage has been taken. Is going downstairs. Go to orange. Go to orange.
Get
Oh,
his
purple, you're
stuff.
going there. You're going there. Purple, just he's right to your right. To your right.
Stay there, bro.
To-
Stay there and watch. Just watch the thing.
No, downstairs. Go downstairs. Through the
Can't jump over that.
team.
Fuck!
Wow. How many hostages are there?
There's two.
Okay. I'll take the one upstairs.
All right, I'm taking the one downstairs like I always do.
Alright, I'll go downstairs.
I will figure out how to get there.
Okay, so I've already learned
Hey,
a
Kenny,
spot.
show me how you got to that. I'm gonna follow you, Kenny. Show me how you got there.
Who's coming downstairs with me? Over here.
Got it.
Yeah, I got you.
So a good spot to be watching is right here. I learned that already.
Okay,
See?
I'm gonna go sit in that spot.
Can you get a quick headshot? Oh, just watch the hostage.
Shit.
Ah, flash myself.
Hey,
I'm on the
got a
pole to
hostage.
protect me.
Yellow needs help.
Need help? Go downstairs.
Coming.
They have a hostage.
Whoops.
Ooh, they're back at their base already. I'm pretty sure. Damn it.
Damn.
Yeah. Alright, I got an AK, now we're good.
Alright, same day. Everyone goes same. Exactly where they went last time.
So what were you guys like when you seen the new updates coming out?
I just got back on the computer, so I don't know.
Can you get a guy coming
I
downstairs?
just got used to PC and all the old maps, and now these new ones came out, and I'm just like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, I was like the
I
same
had just
way.
gotten off after playing comp to go to bed, and then my friend texted me there's new maps, so I got on.
Gav downstairs. He's lit.
Yeah, really?
Nice. Exactly. They're definitely Silver 3's playing the new maps now.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That guy should be upstairs, probably.
Behind green.
Upstairs. Turn around.
I don't know how he shot me.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, you don't need to rotate. Just stay watching the hostage. It's not like bomb site. We have to watch bomb. You just watch a hostage.
All right,
I
yo,
keep eager.
let's go. I don't know why, but I'm really proud of this name I chose like 3 nights ago. This little spot on this little boxer has been doing pretty well for me. Hey, orange, do me a favor. Tell me if you can shoot through this grill. Orange.
What's up?
Tell me if you can shoot through this grill.
I got up. I got one down.
Or for behind me, never mind. Rip.
Ooh, come tight. Yeah, thank you. Don't kill the hostage. If you kill the hostage, you lose.
I know. I shot him by accident.
Let's go.
Nice shot.
Easy game. You get the off for me, please. Whoever got it. Anyone got that? Nah, let's go, man. I'll save up again to get up. Also, watch bar room. That's gonna be a heavy room they're gonna come through too.
I got that one.
Oh yeah, with the piano and there's everything. This map is actually pretty big for like all this. So actually, we're both not able to come this way. They put that somebody watching.
Watch out.
One there. Cool.
The bar room, okay, I got it.
Yeah, got one coming to
One in
bar.
bar, one in bar.
One's there. Lit him. Oh, another one came around. Another one came down from downstairs.
I'm
Nice.
lit. Oh, rip.
Guy upstairs.
Getting hostage.
He's getting him right now.
Up the stairs quickly.
T-quarter down. Guy to your right. Should be at least. Oh yeah, you can shoot through those red boxes. Go back to the red.
He's in the bar.
He's let him play. Cross track. No, just play hostage. Go back.
So 1-on-1. You can't come through there anyway without going outside.
Here's your molly.
Nice.
He's still sitting there, bro. He can't go that way.
Actually, I'm not too sure if he can go that way unless I'm pretty sure you have to go outside. But there's a way to go outside from their spawn. Just hold it.
Chase him down. Are you outside, Rip?
Bar. He's in the bar.
No, he didn't. He went down here.
Let's go back to his spawn.
Kenny!
Go to his spawn.
Raw Rip. Hey, can I get a buy from somebody? Anything? AK would be great. Anybody? Hey, Kenny, can I get a buy? AK buy?
I'm not buying myself, man.
Thank you.
There need to be 2 in this room. I learned that.
Yeah, bar room.
This is boat room. This is boat bar.
He got one corridor down.
Oh, he got me. He's lit 50.
Where at?
Downstairs from the first hostage room.
Okay. You're getting hostage. I can see it. Did they get it already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit. Fuck! Wish I would have knew that. This is actually really CT sided, so you guys know that.
Oh, damn.
Unless you can hold a position, this map is really CT sided.
Yeah, I think
Everyone just stick to a hostage, really.
Yeah, we don't
Yeah,
even
I
need to
do.
rush really,
Yeah, don't rush him.
because on this is the roles are switched.
Yeah.
You should probably have 3 come down and 2 go up.
Just tell me if our room falls.
Now we're good in bar room. Away from me, purple. Away from me. Let's go.
Right side, this is the area you
Purple,
gotta
wait,
watch
purple,
for
wait
them
at
to
their spawn.
rescue.
Purple, wait at their spawn. Purple.
One behind, coming up to the hostage.
Got him.
Alright, I can buy a shot, so I'll be fine.
And you guys getting the co-op mission maps or no?
No, what are those?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
It's the new Operation Breakout maps. It's like co-op campaign maps they have on CS:GO now.
No, I haven't done that yet.
No, they're for $5.
Oh, nah, I don't have $5 to spend.
This map is really close quarters unless you're downstairs. If you're in bar room, this is a really up close map.
Yeah, MP7, P90 all day.
2 coming for the bar.
Yeah, you got 2 going to that bottom hostage. Elevator.
Bottom masters, alright.
I don't know how to get there.
Elevator, I know how. Go downstairs. Go through the spawn. Go through the spawn.
Just go to that spot.
Crap.
Seems like it's kind of a bottleneck.
That was ridiculous.
They're coming from downstairs. Coming from downstairs. To your left. Nice. Just wait on it. Wait on it. The other one should be coming out there. Just hold them off for a minute.
Right in that corner too,
I'm
right?
still here, so.
Where the plants are.
Can you come from
No, not that way.
Yeah, they got
To your
the-
left, to your right a little bit. There.
I wouldn't play right there. You're too wide in the open.
Nah, because he's carrying a hostage.
Oh yeah, it is
Let's
harder
drill
to
them
shoot.
now.
It's harder to shoot with hostage. Nice. Oh, they won?
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, they just gotta get it inside of the field. They don't need to get it to the spawn.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know that. That makes sense.
I felt that fault there.
Okay, can I get a buy for somebody? MP7?
I'm gonna go watch downstairs.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm gonna go to the open spot where I know it's at.
Alright.
There's at least one that always comes up here to, from the stairs. The stairs is called T corridor.
Got one.
Oh, what? One coming to you towards the elevator blue.
Where the fuck is the elevator?
It's elevator room, bro.
Yo, yeah, elevator.
Just hold them off. I'm coming around. Purple, stay there. Purple, stay there.
Yep.
Green back up. Don't rush him. Ooh.
Nice. Pick up that, I already have one. No.
Barroom, if you have a op or a scout, barroom is really good to op too.
Oh yeah, I see one coming.
Oh, he got me. Fuck. I wasn't aiming right at the right side. I don't know how fast they get there in time, so I have to learn that. That's one thing I gotta learn. I would say back up. He has op, so just let him come to you. Just let him rush you.
Give an AK.
Because we don't need to rush now. We're basically playing CT for.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I caught on that.
Oh,
One coming.
Aim up towards head.
I need it. Watch out.
he moved back.
Fuck. Go on.
Go spawn. Go spawn. He's coming through the.
Lower, yeah, I know.
He's
I
almost
hear him
there.
walking.
Pre-fire.
Oh, couldn't pick them both up.
One guy left. He dropped the hostage.
So he didn't.
Yes, he did. He dropped it and picked it back up. Because it's harder to shoot with the hostage. That's one thing you gotta know.
Oh, I didn't think you could shoot the hostage.
No, you can. It's just harder. It's like trying to shoot with the AK walking.
Oh, okay. Even standing still?
Standing still is like tiny bit more accurate, but it's still a lot harder to shoot, and it slows you down a little bit.
I can't wait to be CT see what that's like.
I can't wait to see this in a competitive match, like a pro competitive match. There's a guy bar room. Nice.
Got him.
I'm switching around too low. I didn't know nobody went there.
Yeah, I was about to go over down there.
One more coming. Bar room.
They're on site. They're on
He
site.
got hostage.
I lit them. Ooh, I lit both
Go,
of
go,
them.
go, go, go. Do you know how close they are? Fuck! I expect them to be there.
Where are they?
Just wait on them. Back it up. Back it up.
They're
Back it
gonna
up.
come in there, Jay. Oh, nice try.
Fuck.
Hey,
This is
Ray,
like
can I
an
get
escort
MP7?
mission when you're on CT side.
Rating, can I get MP7?
So can we get 2 downstairs? We have one bar room, and then we have one
I'll go bar room.
no 2 bar room, and we have one watching
Okay,
stairs.
well, I've been going bar room and T main. I've been switching in and out, so that seems to be
I'm gonna
working
go
pretty good. Purple, try to kill someone can pick up their gun. They flashed. Ooh, wrecked. Wait for him. Nice job.
I don't see any coming.
Okay, that guy
One's
wants
coming,
to
one's
sit
coming.
there now.
You can see him through the glass over here.
He smoked.
Oh, you can shoot through the walls. Don't forget that. Shoot me. Shoot me.
Don't kill the hostage. Nice. Got that up. Hey, if you don't want that op, I'll
Nice.
take it. If you don't want that op, I'll take it.
You want it? I got it. If you want, if you don't. All right, go ahead.
I'll take it.
Where you at?
Right. Thank you. I'll go. Shit. Hey, purple. Go in and out of team main and bar room. I'll take main on bar room.
What? Where do you want me to go?
Never
Watch
mind,
stairs.
don't worry about it,
Purple,
you're
watch
fine.
stairs. Watch stairs.
I'm
Don't let
going.
PK come on.
Another one. Oh, shit. I thought you killed him. Fuck me. My ops in bar room.
Got him, got him.
All right, making my way upstairs. Guy upstairs. Guy coming upstairs.
There was one bar. Get back to hostage. Yeah, he's right there, dude.
Okay.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, I missed. Really? He's lit. He's lit. He's lit. He should be. Nice.
You go bar,
didn't
go
even
bar room.
God damn.
Go bar room. Go bar room. Oh, never mind.
We have
Never
enough.
mind to it.
Yeah.
Never mind. I think I'm fine. Damn, Raideners keeping up all that money, dude.
Rating, you buy me AK.
I'm gonna push bar room hard. You shouldn't expect it. That flash though.
Nice one, Blue. Wait up, I'm coming in with you. Flashing, watch out. Nice one. Go downstairs, how about Kenny? I mean, Raiden.
Yo, I got one taken hostage lower corridor.
Ah, he got me.
Alright, I'm coming around.
Nice.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, he's coming.
Where is he?
Lower corridor. He's gone to that area. I don't know what it's.
Watch there, Purple, watch there, watch
I
there.
like this map.
Yeah, this is a really big map. It's really good too. I played it for a while. Nice.
Good half, boys. Good half. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Are all the maps hostage?
No, all of them.
Alright.
I hope this map gets ran in a pro competitive match. I want to see it.
Wait, so do you have to buy these maps later on?
No.
So
You have
what's
to-
the
you have
season pass thing that they keep talking about?
Oh, the season pass is for like campaign maps, and you can get like drops, like they have rare drops for like knives and stuff. That's what they're talking about. Yeah, they have exclusive drops.
Go through the bar. This is the easiest one.
I know where they're coming from.
All we gotta do is get one hostage. I'm decoying the ones downstairs. You gotta get the ones upstairs.
Damn, he's hiding behind the piano in ballroom.
I'm bar.
Right to your right.
Oh, fuck.
Ah, fuck me.
Damn.
Try.
I'm not good with the UPS, is my only problem. I can only go headshots with that.
Yeah, same here. Shit, I feel like this map might be good for dualies.
Get the rescue kit, too. Basically like diffuse kit, same exact thing.
Oh, there you go. Inside of diffuse kit. Should we all go to one place, really?
Technically, yeah, but it's better to split up just in case we all wind up dying and they all wind up pressing the same spot.
Couldn't you say the same thing about playing Dusk?
Yeah. It's basically like that.
Push.
Got one of them.
Jason, I'm long. Yeah, we both got wrecked. One's at 39.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
I hear him.
Drop the hostage.
Alright. Shit.
You were not kidding about that aim.
Yeah. I forgot how to drop the hostage. That was one thing. That's why I said I'm alright. Like, it really messes up your aim a lot. It's drastic.
How about we should all try going to one objective this time.
Just go
Yeah, let's
second
all go.
Go
hostage.
through the bar. Go through the bar.
No,
through the
let's
bar.
all go bar. I'll go bar.
No, don't go bar. Go this way.
Yeah.
Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. It's the easier way because there's only one guy that comes this way.
Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Don't smoke.
Smoke.
Flash.
Flashbang.
I got eyes on stairs.
Nice. Grab it, and go.
I'm watching.
I'm gonna go back to spawn.
Come on, let's go.
You got one upstairs. To your right. Nice.
Go.
Push, push, push.
Come on, purple, come with me. Purple, come with me.
Let's go, let's go.
So okay. Let me go ahead of you, Blue.
Move it, move it.
Hold back, stop.
Push.
You good, you good.
Let's move.
Nice.
Yeah, baby. Nice job. Well, see that
You get more
Yeah,
money.
'cause the groups work.
You get more money getting 2 hostages, just let you guys know that.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Oh, didn't know that.
The more hostages you get, the more money you get.
Let's just stick with 1 hostage for now because it's working. Let's do the same thing.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'll-
No,
I'll
let's
say
go.
it,
Let's go.
I'll
Let's
say
go. What is
Bar,
it?
The bar.
Let's go, let's go.
Courtyard.
I'm flashing.
Flashbang.
Double flash it.
Did you know you guys can smoke over the thing? Just let you know that.
Yeah, I just saw you do it.
Yeah, I just realized that.
One's outside.
I live on
Oh,
fire.
got it.
One guy stairs. One guy stairs.
I know, I see him.
Stay away,
Stairs.
sorry. Oh,
Just go.
alright, there's one there.
I can get him.
Ooh.
Nice job, dude. There we go.
I'm trying to tell you, it's extremely hard to aim with that. That's one of the reasons I put the hostage down.
You gotta aim down, man.
No, like even if you do aim down, it still messes you up a lot.
Dude, P90, you don't really gotta worry about it.
The spread.
Let's
For
go
a
downstairs.
hostage,
We'll do the
you always
first
need
rank
for hostage. You always need one
Bang,
person
bang,
for
bang,
You always need one person with P90 because P90 has most ammo and is more likely to hit him than any other gun.
Yeah, P90 all day when you're
You always,
when you're
every
doing
time
this.
someone's getting hostage, you always give it to the person with the P90.
Throwing flashbang.
I got eyes on stairs again.
Guy back there with scout.
Grab
I got
something,
it. P90 get it. P90 get it. Where's P90 at?
Somebody come on.
Yo, come back same way.
Go.
You good. Go.
I'm smoking stairs. I'm smoking stairs.
Laying down smoke. Move. Go.
Let me go ahead of you.
There's 2 people left.
Push. Let's
They're up there. They're up there.
move it.
To your right.
You got me.
Another one there.
Wait
for the hot shot.
Oh, JJ,
Shit.
get the other one.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you guys to wait.
Roger.
Nice.
Move it.
Downstairs seems to be the way to go.
Roger that.
Okay, I got the P90. Or me and Jason both do.
Same thing.
Push. Roger that.
Yeah, going as a pack, I mean, it works better.
Yeah.
I'll
Watch
stay there,
smoke.
Watch this time.
Someone watch stairs.
I want to see. Another one there. Oh, there's 3.
Okay,
Bomb.
handle.
Watch there. Through beer. Watch that through beer.
Come on. Here, I'm going back to spawn.
Deploying flashbang.
One behind.
Laying down smoke.
He's got me. There's one behind. He's lit 15.
Decoy.
Nice try. Got behind
There's
you.
one behind, Raiden. One behind. Don't bother picking him up. Don't bother. Nice try. My bad. He killed me.
Nah, you're good. I should have dropped him.
How do you drop the hostage? That's one thing I forgot how to do.
I'm assuming E.
Alright, I don't have kit this time, so
Alright,
someone else is gonna have to get it. Let's go
I got
bar.
one here.
No, let's go through the other room.
I have kit. Okay.
Let's go through stairs room.
This is a free
Come here, guys.
zone.
Yeah, y'all go that
Move
way.
it.
I'm gonna try to hold them off like we're going this.
Just keep their attention. Don't die.
Yeah.
Flashbang.
I got a kit. And I'm dead. Knock.
I'm going to the outside. Where was he at, purple?
Throwing fire.
Yeah, you got one coming up. Behind, like
Oh, I legged him! No! I legged another guy, he's legged, so he's probably gonna be 1-tap. He's not gonna rush you, though.
Just go for the kill.
Just take the hostage. Wait for him to rush you.
Could you get an extra minute when hostage is down? So really, you could have just roamed around and tried to find him.
Go up those stairs.
Go through the
He's not
stairs. Go
gonna
through
be
the
there.
stairs. Go through the stairs.
There you go.
That's an easier way to get to. Yeah. Nice.
Rip. Nice
You
job.
just gotta get him in
about
that
to
red
say.
line.
Yeah.
Hey, can I get a buy? Somebody? Jason? Thank you.
Do you want out? Do you want out or no?
Affirmative.
Where we going?
Let's maybe go down here again.
Back up on me.
I'm gonna watch bar.
Let's go, let's go. Incendiary. Smoke.
Ooh, one guy rushed bar.
I'll stay back and watch behind. Yeah, he's on top of us, or on top of ours.
There's one watching on top of what's called.
I believe in you, man. You can do it. Yeah. Team coming from behind. Where rank you guys?
3.
Silver 3.
Okay. At least they're doing the ranking system correctly now. I was playing with like silver 1s earlier.
I hear him somewhere on top. Oh, shit. Alright, well.
Yeah, there's so much shit to watch now. Like, you got one person has to be watching stairs. Because once people learn the map, they're gonna know, like, automatically where to go.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Everyone report Raiden because he turned around just as he came around the corner.
Let's go bar.
I'm down. Just in. I'll flash this in.
Someone get a flash and throw it over the roof.
Yeah, gotcha.
Push, push, push.
Yeah, I feel like just from playing this match, I understand the map a lot better.
Flashbang. Laying down smoke.
Clear.
Roger.
Come on.
Throwing flashbang.
Help,
Oh my god,
help.
he's at 79.
Throwing smoke.
I just can't stop
Guy
dying.
outside, guy outside. Guy outside with scout.
Throwing flashbang.
Nice flash.
Ooh, shit. You can shoot through beer boxes, I forgot. Going for the rotate. Fuck.
Nice try. Yo, you wrecked the kid's life though. Hopefully at least. I'm gonna flash and nade, then we all push in. Anyone got a smoke to smoke off that corridor? Because that's where the one guy on the stairs gets us.
I got
Someone watch
you.
stairs.
Yeah, we don't need to smoke on T side. I'm gonna watch stairs.
Decoys out.
Guy coming stairs.
This guy on the catwalk. Grab it, go. Don't get ready, go.
Ooh, my bad, my bad. I didn't know you were on stairs.
Go, go, go.
Move upstairs, move upstairs.
You good? I got you from behind.
I'm going up there to cut them off before they get to us.
Move.
No. Okay.
MP7 2 OP.
Good.
Easy. There you go, boys. Oh, I killed you. Oh shit, my bad, man. My bad. You wanna buy, man? I'm sorry.
Need support now. I need support.
Let's go through stair room.
Tango Mike.
My bad, man.
We doing the same?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh, he's same there. Blue, don't rush stairs. Let them come to us.
Affirmative.
You let them get the bomb, and we'll just wait off.
Auto.
Throwing flashbang.
Go on the stairs again.
Blue duck, blue duck.
Decoy.
I just don't, yeah, grab it, okay?
Grenade out.
Oh shit.
Fuck!
Alright, you're good.
Man, I missed that.
You're good.
Rip. Help me out here. Cap him out.
Guy upstairs.
Got him.
Go, go, go!
Good on him.
Guy's upstairs. He's lit.
Yeah, he's up here.
I tried.
That's fine.
That Call of Duty SG, man. Are you kidding me?
Yo, dude, this map is all about the SMGs.
Yeah, close range.
Besides, okay, it's same thing. It's working where it's not doing it well. I got smoke this time, so I'll be able to do it. Watch how I come into this site here. This is how we should be doing it every single time because it works.
Deploying flashbang. Smoke. Throwing
Smoke off that corridor, and we're golden. Cover me. Go, go, go. Get my way.
Throwing flashbang.
Get him. Nice.
You good? Go.
Yeah, there's a guy on the capture point, yo. There's a guy on the capture point.
Yellow's got him. You're good. Hey, let's go.
Nice job, boys. I'm telling you, that'll work every single time. That one guy will rush, we'll have it smoked off, he can't do nothing.
I'm gonna go bomb room and get another bomb. I'm gonna let you guys decoy it again because they're gonna think you're going there again. I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna slow peek, slow rush. Orange, come with me, but move slow.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
Flashbang.
You watch the other side. Watch the other side.
Laying down
Put
smoke.
one inside.
No, it's not gonna be. He got one cup.
Ah,
Those two
you
there,
got
two
me. Split though.
Oh, just all them there. Yo, you should be golden over there, yellow.
Throwing grenade.
Die. Go get bomb orange. Go. Push it. No, push hostage. The other one.
This one or
Ah, yeah, that one. Get that one.
Hold him off there, boys.
Get it. There's no one there. Yes, there is. Oh shit. Nice.
There
That's
you
fine.
go, boys.
Oh, I didn't know. I bet I gave you
No, you're
banned.
good.
Just so you know, guys, everything is really thin on this map, so you can basically shoot through almost anything.
Yeah, I figured. What do you just want to do?
let's go bottom.
Alright. Same thing I've
Full
always done.
rush.
Somebody push in with me because they're having guys sitting in sight now.
Yeah, it's a T-sided map, guys.
Yeah, I can tell.
T or CT?
T.
Okay, hey, I'm flashing.
Throwing flashbang.
Flashing
I
again.
got
Watch out.
scared.
Throwing smoke. Laying down
Got him before you guys smoked it. Nice.
Grab it. Go, go, go.
Stairs are clear.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
No.
Go, go, go.
I meant like stairs are clear to keep going downstairs, but hey, this worked.
Go hurt. Drop him. There we go,
Nice.
boys.
Nice job, guys.
GG.
Good job, everyone.
Hope you guys enjoyed the new map. This was dope.
Hey, chroma case, yeah.
GG, guys. Nice playing
Nice
with you.
job, guys.
Nice playing with you guys.
Good time. Play this.
I'm gonna be playing this all night now.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that game. It was weird. It was a new game that I just got into, and I really did enjoy it. The new updates, if you guys haven't seen it yet, I hope I'm one of the first people who's uploading it. But guys, it was dope. I hope you guys really did enjoy this new Operation Breakout, because I know I did. It was pretty freaking dope. And guys, if you want to see more Operation Breakout videos, more competitive games, I will upload it, and I will check all you guys out later. Peace. I'm signing off.